Presented by the Unbroken part. In a world where everyone wants to go viral, one thing still matters: purpose. Welcome to the Unbroken part, where we teach you how to rise, win, and never give up. 2025 is not waiting for anyone. The game has changed. If you want to go viral, you have to be real, creative, and consistent. People don't follow perfection anymore. They follow truth. Every post, every move, every grind counts. You can't go viral by wishing. You go viral by showing up every single day, even when nobody's watching. Want to make money this year? Create value. Teach something. Entertain someone. Inspire somebody. Your talent is your currency. Your passion is your power. People go viral not because they are lucky, but because they are loud about their purpose. Don't hide your gift. Post it, share it, talk about it. Someone needs what you have. If you want to build wealth in 2025, stop chasing trends. Build a brand. Build something people trust. Your name should carry value before your account balance does. Never give up because of slow progress. The road to success is not straight. It's full of lessons, failures, and breakthroughs. Each step prepares you for your big moment. Success in 2025 means using what's in your hands. A phone, an idea, a dream. That's all you need to start. Start small, stay consistent, and your time will come. Don't wait for validation. Post your ideas, your journey, your process. People fall in love with progress, not perfection. Be your authentic self. Study the people winning online. They're not better, they're just consistent. They post daily. They learn what works. They build communities, not just followers. If you want to go viral, tell stories. People love emotions, real life, and transformation. Every great video starts with a story people can feel. To make money, stop scrolling and start creating. Sell your skill, create content, offer value. There are thousands of ways to earn if you're ready to move. Be smart with your time. Learn AI tools, digital marketing, editing, storytelling. The more you learn, the more you earn. The world rewards creativity. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes from every sleepless night, every post nobody liked, every idea you refuse to give up on. Keep showing up. Remember, people don't just go viral, they grow viral. Growth comes from consistency, authenticity, and never giving up on your vision. Your story matters, your voice matters. Your dream is valid. Don't let fear silence you. Start today, one post, one step, one breakthrough at a time. "2025 is your year to rise. Build your vision, stay humble, keep grinding. The world will soon clap for what you've been working on in silence." Let your pain push you, let your faith drive you, and let your vision lead you. You are not broken. You are becoming unstoppable. Every dreamer has one thing in common. They started when they were scared. Don't wait to feel ready. Start where you are, use what you have, and grow. Your breakthrough is coming. Keep believing, keep working, and stay unbroken. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is the unbroken part, where dreams don't die, they rise again.